hot plate, an explanation of the function, use, measurement, and safety of the magnetic stirring hot plate, presented by Timothy Bear and Brandon Weathers. What is a magnetic stirring hot plate? A magnetic stirring hot plate is a scientific instrument used to evenly stir different solutions while heating them to a certain temperature with the use of a heat-resistant container, a stir rod, as well as other safety materials. Magnetic stirring hot plates have two units of measurement, RPMs and degrees Celsius. Taking a closer look. If you were to take a closer look at the magnetic stirring hot plate, you can see that there are two knobs, one for heat and one for stirring. What could you use this for? A magnetic stirring hot plate could be used for many things. For example, if you were wanting to determine if a particular substance is soluble, the magnetic stirring hot plate would make the testing process simpler. This is because it can mix and heat your solution and eventually dissolve it if that substance you were testing was soluble. Here's an image of the magnetic stirring hot plate in use. You have a beaker filled with liquid on top, and the stir rod's placed inside. On your right, you have a dial, which is the RPM dial. That controls how fast the stir bar goes. On the left, you have your temperature dial, which controls how hot the liquid gets. Safety tips. Although the hot plate is relatively simple to use, there are a few safety procedures you should follow. Number 1, before you even start a lab involving any type of substance, you need to wear safety goggles, especially while the stirring aspect of the hot plate is in use. Number 2, always wear hot gloves when working with a hot plate, even the glassware on the plate gets hot. Number 3, when finished with the hot plate, turn the knobs off and unplug the equipment from the outlet.
And that's all.
Hi, my name is Brandon. Tim's behind the camera, and today we're going to teach you how to run a hot plate. First, we're going to grab our hot gloves and put them on. And as you can see, we have our Epsom salt right here. We have a gram of that. So we're going to take our stir bar, take the beaker off the hot plate really carefully and put a tilt to it so the stir bar slides right in. Now the water's already preheated, so we can save time in this video. Now we're going to take the Epsom salt and carefully put that into the beaker. Now since the Epsom salt and the stir bar's in, we turn the stir bar setting up. I turn this one up to 6, and now we wait to see how long it takes for the what?
That might be a little too much.
Oh well.
No, we good.
Now we're going to wait to see how long it takes for the Epsom salt to dissolve. As you can see, the safety equipment in this video used was the lab jacket, safety goggles, and gloves. We have this bar right here that takes the stir bar out when you're done with it, and we set it on this napkin. And the Epsom salt is dissolved. See, it didn't take too long. And that's how you use a hot plate.
You want to go ahead and take the stir bar out?
Yeah, I'll do that. Now to take the stir bar out, you use this rod, put it in the water, and it brings the stir bar out, just like that. Make sure there's not a lot of water dripping off because it is hot. You set it right here on the napkin, place that back, and you turn your equipment off. So both dials are on 0. Now you unplug it from the wall. And that's how to use a hot plate.